People have been making over 6 figures a month with social media automation. And here's how you can too. Social media automation is where you run multiple pages on different social media platforms and earn money through different monetization methods that I will show you in this video. So in this video, I will show you how to go viral on social media, how to monetize your accounts, all the secret strategies, and what I offer. So first things first, people have been asking me what the best platform is for social media. But in reality, there is no best platform, it's just about which platform suits you. For example, Instagram doesn't pay you directly, but it's extremely easy to go viral on. But for TikTok, it's a little harder to go viral, but they pay you directly. But just because Instagram doesn't pay you directly, doesn't mean you can't make any money from it. So later in this video, I will be showing you how you can do so. Anyway, if we look at YouTube, it's kind of easy to go viral, and they pay good, but a little less than TikTok. So if you think about it, all these platforms have their downs and ups. But anyway, let's get into the good stuff now. So the first thing you want to master is creating viral videos. And if you go onto my channel, you will see that I have a bunch of videos covering this. Not only on how to go viral, but on how to warm up your account and much more. So when you finish watching this video, make sure to check them out. Okay, so let's say you've mastered viral content and now you want to start going viral and earn money. The first thing you would need to do is make an account on one of the 3 platforms I mentioned and warm the account up. If you want to learn how to warm up an account, go to my first video and watch it. After you have warmed up your account, you need to post your first viral video. And I would recommend posting 2 times a day with a 6 to 8 hour gap in between posting. Now trust me, you will not see any progress if you don't stay consistent. And what I mean by that is posting every day with high quality viral content. And if you do this correctly, I don't see why you won't go viral. Okay, so now let's say that you have gone viral a few times and you now want to monetize your content. First things first is that every platform has different monetization features, so let me go through them all. First up is YouTube, where you need 1,000 subscribers and either 10 million views in the last 360 days or 4,000 watch hours in the last 90 days, which is pretty achievable. Next up is TikTok, where you need 1,000 followers and 100,000 views since the account was created. This is also pretty achievable. Now the last one is Instagram, where they don't pay you for views, but instead they make it really easy to go viral, which means you can promote your own product on there. In my premium Discord, I show how you can take advantage of this new method along with a one-to-one mentorship with me. So now let's say you are monetized and now earning money, but not enough money which makes you financially free. Well, let me show you what you can do. If you didn't know already, I have a free Discord community where I teach how to go viral on social media and make money from it. But I also have a premium version of the server where you get a one-to-one mentorship with me on all platforms. The exclusive Instagram method that is making people millionaires. 50+ channels filled with information that cannot be found anywhere on the internet. You will get to see some of my accounts which are generating me over 10K monthly. You will also get all the best niches right now and all the best editing, content, and viral strategies to keep you ahead of the rest. All of the information I know about going viral and making money from social media. Plus, you get to ask me questions 24/7. And the part that makes it extremely worth its price is the $75 worth of luxury clips and $50 worth of editing assets that are inside. And here are some of the results people have managed to generate thanks to my premium. If you want more info and want to contact me, leave a comment or join my free Discord server in my profile and message me.